Bucher Municipal is the leading supplier of municipal equipment. Since the beginning, we have been driven to help you in keeping traffic areas clean and safe with the widest product portfolio in the industry. From sweepers and winter maintenance to refuse collection and sewer cleaning vehicles. With research and development centres all over the world, we are committed to discover today what you will need tomorrow. We develop smart, future-proof solutions to help you stay ahead. Like pioneering fully electrified vehicles that lead the way in sustainability and efficiency. Our equipment is built in-house. We have complete control of the production process. From the first idea to the tightening of the last screw. This way you can rest assured that every piece of equipment has passed strict quality controls before leaving our factory. Let's look at the portfolio in detail. Our compact sweepers set the standard for low fuel, noise and dust emissions. Agile and ideal for navigating the tightest and most confined spaces, compact sweepers improve urban life in virtual silence. The wide range of models and options make our truck-mounted sweepers the preferred partner for municipal applications and heavy-duty work in road maintenance. On even the most demanding jobs, our range of heavy-duty, specialized truck-mounted sweepers continues to impress. They are tailored for the most complex cleaning and jetting demands of contractors and airports worldwide. In Australia, we produce a wide range of solutions to manage waste in safer, more intelligent ways. Side, front and rear loader refuse vehicles and a complete range of bulk waste compactors. Our long list of innovations and an industry-leading after-sales service has made us #1 in Australia. Our sewer cleaning vehicles are found all over the world, working in the most extreme conditions. Tailored to local requirements, our complete range of models and options include jetting, vacuum, combination, and water recycling units. With a wide range of options, we help you turn snow days into safe days by keeping roads, streets and airports free of snow and ice. Our solutions cover everything from snow plows and blowers for small to heavy trucks, spreaders for dry material, pre-wetted salt, up to airport de-icers. Bucher Connect is our digital, all-inclusive service and after-sales solution. It enables you to optimize vehicle efficiency while minimizing downtime and costs. Winter maintenance operations benefit from the innovative Bucher Assist planning system. Increase efficiency and plan operations from the comfort of your office, using connected data to define and optimize spreading parameters. Every minute off the road is a minute lost, and as your partner, we are here to make sure you make the most of every single one. Through our efficient after-sales and spare parts operations, we guarantee timely and reliable support and spare parts deliveries. Our in-house training helps you maximize efficiency, safety, and cost-effectiveness of your equipment. Advice and support is always nearby. Our competent centres and network of sales and service partners provide local expertise around the world. At Bucher Municipal, we are aware of our responsibility to society and the environment. That is why we are driven to innovate and engineer new and better solutions. Driven to help you achieve more by using less. Driven by the possibilities of a better, more sustainable tomorrow. We are Bucher Municipal. Driven by better.